This was a home that we had built, and the windows, you know, they were, back when we built the house, windows were never a key issue. I mean, they worked, they went up, they went down, but that was 30 years ago. And so this was something we considered for a while. We talked to some other vendors, and we were very impressed with NEWPRO, the product, and the staff. The quality of the window was, I thought, superior than the two other types that we had seen. And ironically, it was my oldest son who suggested that we contact NEWPRO. And he was always looking for us to, you know, get a good product at a good price. I think we got a great product at a good price, so that was good. The flow of light is great. I mean, the others were wooden double hungs with storms, and this is much clearer, and the frame, as part of the process, is so much nicer. The tilt-in, although we haven't cleaned them yet, we're getting ready to, so it's going to be far simpler than what it was before, with ladders and major effort. So we're looking forward. Should I say I'm looking forward to clean? I guess I am. It's a quality product, very solid, very dependable, very reliable, and they were more than willing to work with us. You know, they were very flexible, did what they said in the time they said they would do it. Can't expect more than that, which is awesome. Worked out.